Alright, so find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. If you guys want to have a go at this, attempt this question before I give the solution, then pause the video now. Okay, so if you've attempted the question, now I'll give the solution. So find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. So what we do is use method 1, where we just list the multiples. So for 9, we have 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, 45, and we'll keep it there for now. Let's just go to 12. 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4, 12 times 5. So we can see that the lowest number that is common in both of these is 36. Therefore, the LCM is 36. Now, the way you would do this quickly, and the way I knew how to stop, is just by knowing my times tables for 9 and 12. So I knew if I kept going up in 9s, I knew that 36 multiplied by 12 is a factor of 36. Therefore, that's why I stopped it early, because I knew that 12 would divide into 36. So that would be the lowest common multiple. So that's something that you will just get from practice. So now, let's try question B. So given that 28 equals, let's just write this out, 2 squared times about 7, and 8 equals 2 cubed. What is the lowest common multiple? So here we have to use method 2, which is the prime factor method. So what we do is we multiply the number which is in either one of these. So the highest power of 2 here is 2 cubed. So we take that and 7. So if there's two numbers which are the same, for example 2, we take the one with the highest power. Obviously 2 cubed is higher than 2 squared. And here you just multiply it by 7. So the lowest common multiple is going to be 2 cubed multiplied by 7. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Multiplied by 7, which equals 56. And this is the lowest common multiple. 56 is the lowest common multiple of 28 and 8. Okay, let's get on to the next question. So pause the video now if you want to have a go yourself. Okay, I'm guessing you guys have had a go at this question. It says find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. So we use method 1. List all the factors of each number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, and 36. And for 84, it's going to be 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 14, 7 times 12, 6 times 14, 4 times 21, 2 times 42, and 1 times 84. So the more you learn how to do factors, the quicker you are able to do this. So I don't think you guys would have been able to do this straight away. You would have just written like 1 times 84, 2 times 42, and gone up like that. But anyways, so what's the highest common factor we're looking for? So we're looking for the largest number, which is common in both. So 4 is common in both, 6 is common in both, 12 is common in both. Therefore, 12 is going to be the highest common factor. is the HCF of 36 and 84. Okay, now let's try question B. So it gives us that 150 equals 2 times 3 times 5 squared, and 60 equals 2 squared times 3 times 5. Find the highest common factor. So remember, in highest common factor what we do is look for the smallest power. So here it's going to be 2, here it's going to be 3, that's the smallest power, and here the smallest power is 5. So the highest common factor is going to be equal to 2 times 3 times 5. That's equal to 30. Therefore the highest common factor of 60 and 150 equals 30. Hope you guys understood the questions.